Welcome children. Today's assessment worksheet number 3, subject science, class 8, date 14th September. In first column, name of the student, you have to write the name, your name, and second, name of the class teacher, you have to write the name of your class teacher. Instruction is given to you. Darken the circle in front of the correct option of the following questions. आपको you have to darken the circle of correct answer. Question number 1. A bacteria called rhizobium is found in the roots of the dash plant. किस plants की roots में rhizobium बैक्टीरिया पाया जाता है? Option is leguminous. First A is leguminous, B is flowering plants, C is small plants, and D is parasitic plants. So bacteria called rhizobium is found in leguminous plant. So you have to darken the circle of A, leguminous plant. Question number 2. Which among the following is not a metal? Which one is not a metal? Carbon. Carbon is not a metal. Sodium is a metal. Copper is a metal. And aluminum is also a metal. So correct answer will be A, sodium. A, carbon, not sodium. Question number 3. The amount of nitrogen in the air is approximately amount of nitrogen. So you know the amount of nitrogen gas in the air is 78%. So correct answer will be B, 78%. Question number 4. Metals are, you have to give in properties of metals. So metals are ductile. B, metals are malleable. C, metals are good conductor of electricity. And D, all of the above. So you know all these properties of a metal: ductility, malleability, and good conductor of electricity. You have to take the correct answer, D, all of the above. Question 5. Non-metal are, non-metals कौन से होते हैं? Ductile, B, malleable, C, good conductor of electricity, and D, poor conductor of electricity. So all these three properties A, B, and C are of metals, and property of non-metal. So non-metals are, correct answer is D, poor conductor of electricity. Next question, question number 6. Due to which property of gold it is used to make jewelry items? कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी है बच्चों जिसके कारण हम गोल्ड से ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं? डक्टाइलिटी, मैलिएबिलिटी, बोथ ए एंड बी. दे आर very good ductile and malleable, gold is. So that is why it is used for making jewelry. So correct answer will be both A and B. C, both A and B. Question number 7. Identify the pair of non-metal and metal from the following. You have to find out the pair of non-metal and metal, in which the first part is non-metal and second part is metal. Carbon and sulfur both are non-metal. Wrong answer. Iron and sodium both are metal. B, oxygen and nitrogen both are non-metal. And D, carbon is a non-metal, while magnesium is a metal. So correct answer will be carbon and magnesium, D part of the question. Question number 8. Which among the following is a good conductor of electricity and brittle? So you know brittle is the property of non-metal, and good conduction, a good conductor of electricity, it's the property of metal. So it should be non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. Sulfur, no. Phosphorus, no. It is correct answer is C, graphite. Graphite is a non-metal, means brittle, but it is good conductor of electricity. So correct answer will be C. Dash, question number 9, dash are the poor conductor or insulator of heat. Metals, non-metals, elements, and both A and B. So only non-metals are poor conductor of heat or insulator of heat. So correct answer will be non-metals. Correct answer will be B, non-metals. Question number 10. The metal which can be cut easily by knife is. Name the metal which is soft in nature and can be cut with knife. So, which metal is this? This is the sodium. Sodium metal is very soft and can be cut with knife. Iron can't be cut with knife. Gold can't be cut. So correct answer will be sodium. Thanks for watching.